we're going to start by just marching on the spot. Okay, let's take those feet wide, take it up. Keep that going. I'm just going to move you back a little bit this back. That's better. Okay. Ooh, our feet are wide. Reach across, stretch. So rotate through the waist, lifting the heel, stretch. 8. Now circle the arm around. As if you're brushing your hair. 8. For 4. Hamstring curls, bring your heel in. Again, arms are optional, you can keep those arms down if you want to. 4 more. Knee lifts here, so we're driving the knee in, pulling those arms down. Again, if you want to, take the arms out. The arms reaching above the head, it's going to get that heart rate up a little bit more without adding any jumps. March. Take it wide. Reach. Circle round. Curl. Knee lifts. March. Take it wide. Reach. Circle round. Curl. Knee lifts. March. One more time through. Take it wide. Reach. Circle round. Curl. Knee lifts. March. Breathe. Okay, we're going into half jacks. Hands, elbows by your side, and we're going to tap. Alternate each side. So again, we're focusing just a small movement through the shoulder, tapping each side. Keep breathing. We're going to change those arms, so keep the feet going. Push up. So again, changing those arms, taking the arms above the head. It's going to get that heart rate up a little bit more. Keep it going. Okay, let's change those arms again. Punch. Those legs are going to keep moving. Slight bend into the knees. For 4, 3, 2. Back to the top. 4. Push up. And punch. 4, 3, 2. One more time. 4. Push up. Punch. 4 more. March. Take your feet wide. And we're going to move into hamstring curls. So join me when you're ready. Bringing your heel in. Scoop the tummy muscles. Keep breathing. So again, we're going to change up the arm movement. So what I want you to do is pull those elbows back as you pull the heel in. Let's go for 8 more here. 8. For 4, 3. Now we're going to pull down from the top. Pull. Pull. So as you bring the heel in, those arms are pulling down. 8. 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift up. Here we go. As the heel comes in, that's when the arms are going up. 8, Hands onto your hips. Breathe. Ready? Add those arms in. Pull. 4 more. Arms up. Pull. Arms out. Hands onto your hips. 4 more. Knee lifts. Smart. Get some more music. Okay, last round, we're going to go into knee lifts. And again, we're going to change the arms. So march it out. Hands up to your hips. Breathe. Heart rate should be up a little bit, it should be warmer. Ready? Let's bring the knees up. Again, squeeze the tummy muscles. So first movement, like we've done in the warm up, we're bringing the arms down towards the knee. Ready? Here we go. So our next one is a rotation. So hands at your temples, and you're going to rotate. Next one, stay with the rotation, you're punching down. 8 more. For 4, 3, 2, hands onto your hips. 8. 4 more. We're going to pull those hands down. Now rotate. Now take it over. 4 more. Now we're going to go back to the top, jacks. Keep it going for 4, 3, 2. Now push up. 4 more. Into your punches. Here we go. Punch. 4 more. Now into your curls. Bring your heel in. Set up the legs. And pull those arms. Pull. We're going to take those arms up. Pull them down. Now we're going to take those arms forward. Knee lifts. Then hands onto your hips, set up the legs. Ready? Pull down. Rotate. Punch. March. Ooh, take a breath. Arms come up. Stretch. And out. One more time. Take a breath. Arms up. Heart rate's coming down. Stretch. Take it out. One more time. Up. Okay, take the heel forwards out in front. Heel, hips, push back. Pull the toe up towards your shin. Keep your chest lifted. Hold 8, 7. Again, you might still feel that heart rate. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ease out. Heel forwards. Tilt bottom back and up. Pull the toe up towards the shin. Breathe. Hold for 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees out. You just have a round of applause.